What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Rent Out Experiment. Thank you for tuning in. And today we are going to be looking at the Dji Ronin S, and we're going to be testing out the Procaster audio. So that's what I'm going to run the audio on in this video, simply because I need to try it out. All right, so I've had this Dji Ronin S sitting on the shelf, and I'm gearing up to go on vacation. I want to bring it with, so I thought, why not do a quick unboxing video with you guys and try out the RODE Procaster microphone on the PSM mount and PSA1 swing arm. So let's dive into this. Obviously, if you guys don't know or are unaware, I generally use if you can see it right there, that is the Ronin M, and that's for all of my gimbaled shots and everything else. So I wanted to switch to something a little bit more portable, so I got the Ronin S from Dji. It was on sale, got a killer deal on it. So let's dive right into this now. So I have not seen this thing. This is just an unboxing video. I'll do a full review, as I got to do one on the Ronin M. I'll do one on the Ronin S as well. So let's take a look. Obviously, it's got this nice case. The box is looking pretty good. Open the top here. And then this is what you see. Let me take it out of the box. So in true Dji fashion, you have the hard styrofoam case. Looks like this. Very nice. It's the same thing that you get with the Phantoms. It's got the little... It's like a little briefcase. You got the little turn top right here. Unlocks. And let's open this guy up and see what we have in store. Wow. Talk about neatly packed. So this is what you get inside of it. So real briefly, you get this nice little case. Let's see what's in this case. A silica packet. Looks like it's got a couple of slots here on the bottom for some type of, like if you wanted to put SD cards in it. Oh, it's got a bunch of the screws and adapters, some plates, and more. Wow. All the cables and cords that are required, so that is nice. They give you a nice little case like that. And then of course you get part of your handle if you elect to do it. This is the lower grip or the tripod mount. That is nice. This is made of sturdy aluminum, and it has this rubber grippy. If you can see it there. Right there, located on the bottom of it. And then what else do we got in here? We got the battery, which the cool part about this thing's rated for, I believe it's 12 hours. So there's the grip or the battery, which at some point these guys need to figure out how to make non-lithium ion so you can just send it through. We have the charger. Now that is one hell of a charger. You've got one of your, I'm assuming that's a camera plate. And then you have the actual head, the unit head, which is neatly tucked in here and strapped together. There it is right there. So that pretty much covers the contents of the Ronin S. Now I'm going to be using this, like I said, I think I'm going to pack this guy up and bring it with me on vacation. So Dji did do a great job on packaging this thing. Look at this. Everything like neatly fits in its own little spot. And obviously these guys also think about other items. There's a little bit of area down here below if you want to throw some stuff in there. A little bit of space up on this top side. Same kind of setup, like I said, with your Phantom and all of that, but this thing, very nice looking, very clean looking setup. Super excited to get out and use this guy, and obviously I'll do a full review of this. I'm going to be doing a review of the Ronin M as well, and talk you guys through some of the things that I did, and then obviously as I evolved. This is a very nice case, so you could actually literally just carry this with you if you wanted. Throw it in the overhead compartment, and you would be good to go. That's the DJI Ronin S. This is us, so the audio on this one is the RODE Procaster. So hopefully this came out good. And we've got a lot of other great things going on here at the Rented Out Experiment. To include, we're going to show more of the office and what we've got going on here, and maybe show you guys some of the stuff with the Adobe Audition. That's what I use for recording these, and a lot more. So that is it for this episode, or this video here at the Rented Out Experiment. We thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got a lot of other cool product reviews and everything else. The link to this product will be down below if you're interested in checking it out. Of course, thank you for tuning in. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, consider doing that down below. We'll catch up with you guys in the next video.